What's up guys, Wolf here, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to use the Plotagon Story app. Now this app is available for PC or mobile. You can download it in the App Store, Google Play, or whatever you have, you can download it. And for the computer, it's about like a gigabyte. It's like a gigabyte of space. It's not slow down your computer, and you can easily use it. So it's pretty fun. You don't have to worry about doing like any major animating to it. Every scene, every character is already animated. So yeah, as you can see here, I have a whole bunch of different plots that I never actually finished up, just because I'm a lazy person. So, yeah, so firstly, what you gotta do is click on create a video, and press on the little, scene icon right there. Now, allow you to choose a scene. Then you will have to choose a scene. Now, this Plotagon story is not free, so it's probably the first time when you actually download it and create an account, you will most likely get the thing I have, or you will actually have to pay for all this stuff. For some reason, I don't have to pay for any of this. I just have to log in with my Google account, and I can simply have all this stuff for free, which is pretty cool. But I think most likely for you, you would have to pay for a membership to get all the scenes and the characters. So yeah. Anyways, so first what you want to do is just select one of the scenes. They got a whole bunch. They have history, healthcare, fantasy, backdrop, history, holiday, home, law enforcement, office, outdoors, public, school, spaces, stages, stores, transportation, urban, Christmas stuff, and Halloween, and you have like love stuff. You have different stuff. So yeah, so simply I'm just gonna click on the beach scene because it's, it's obviously beautiful. So then, as you can see here, I have a whole bunch of characters. Like, I'm not gonna show you them all, I just have a lot of characters on here. So yeah, so simply you just wanna probably just click on the character. So for example, we'll just click on the Fatal Wolf Surf Beach character. Then what you want to do is basically you have to choose where they go. So you can put them like by the water, surfboard, single share. Basically you can just put them wherever you want in the scene. And you can also you can have more than one actor. You can only have 2 people in every scene, so that's kind of unfortunate. But for example, we just put in the Markiplier character. We can put him like in the chair. Well, not the well. We can change it up a little bit. We can have him on the surfboard, and this is where you can create dialogue, for example, and also you can choose their emotions, or basically what their actions. And the action thing is right there, little message thing is right there. So basically you can have them do something like they're sad, you can make them angry, like this, you can do a whole bunch of different stuff. It's just super duper fun. And yeah, so basically you can just keep on clicking the dialogue button. I don't do that a whole lot, but yeah, so for example, like, let's do something like this.
You.
Funny. Why can do something like with Markiplier? What am I doing?
Fook.
Yeah, that's weird. Alright, so then you can basically choose a different scene. We're gonna go into a more enclosed space, so let's just do something like that. Then we'll just have the pink skull trooper as well as the red skull trooper, which basically create a wolf in a red skeleton outfit. And you can actually have them perform different actions, like they might be a little too far away to actually see it. And they're too far away. You can basically have, well, let's actually put them closer. There we go, they're closer. And then you can basically have them do different stuff, you know, like teasing. You have them, this is the grossest thing out of all of them. Yeah, that's horrible. You know, you have all these different options, like pat, push, do all this kind of stuff, you know, and it's kind of silly that what you can make these guys do. And again, you don't have to worry about any animating, it's already animated. So, yeah, and you can basically have these little, I don't know what they're called, like, sort of like little black screens, where you can maybe, like, fast forward something like for little SpongeBob vibe to this. Yeah. Alright, so you can also choose from a variety of different music. You can choose like fancy beat. You can basically choose like different tones, like suspense, tension, thoughtful, funny, drama, background, everything like that. Like here's a sample of it. Yep, and another cool thing is you can also import your own music, which, for example, I have one music sound on here. Yep, you can import your own music, as well as import your own audio, your own sound. There's no sound. Now, I don't have any downloaded sounds, just a music pack. But you have a variety of sounds to choose from, like a cell phone, bomb, boing, birds, beep, anything like that. Yeah, you can have different sounds. Like it's pretty cool what you have. Like you also have stuff like sneezing, snoring, can opening. You know, there's just a whole bunch of sounds to choose from. And yeah, you also have that's all the actions and stuff you can do in the scenes. You also have the dialogue. You move the camera, put it in different spaces, establish a spot between, you can basically have these characters anywhere. You can like again, you can choose where the camera is, and yeah, so you can choose where the camera is. If you want a more detailed tutorial on Plotagon Studio, then I would highly advise you to go on to their channel. I'll have a link down below. And yeah, so this is basically all the things you can do, and oh yeah, you can also set the volume to different settings. Like you can have it to max, or you can have it to the lowest of the low. And you can also record your voice. So, for example, hi, I am Pink Skull Trooper. I don't know what that is. Alright, actually no. Hold on. Let's mute the recording, and we'll do this with Fatal Wolf guy. Sup guys, my name is Fatal Wolf. Sup guys, my name is Fatal Wolf. Yeah, there's a little weird thing with the microphone, I don't know what that is, but yeah. So either way, I have a bunch of characters, so you can, so now basically creating characters is probably one of my favorite things to do. And it's probably one of the most fun things to do. You can see here, you got a whole variety of outfits, like you have like coats, t-shirts, superhero outfits, uniforms, formal dresses, beach stuff, you have a whole bunch of different tops, you have pants, all different pants to choose from, you have different shoes, all these shoes, you have all those shoes. You can choose from different accessories like hats, hoods, helmets, masks, earrings, all that kind of stuff, glasses. You can also have change their appearance. You can, change what they have on their eyes. You can give them makeup or something like that. It's weird on a male, but you can choose, like if they have eyelashes or something, or nothing like that. You can change their eye color. I personally like red because, it's just demonic and it looks pretty cool. You can also change their lip color, stuff like that. Yeah. You can change their eyebrow shape, and you can also change the appearance of their head or their face. This is the one I use the most, just because it's plain simple. I use this one. I use that one. I use this one. Okay. I use different appearances. So yeah, you have a whole bunch of different people. You have a whole bunch of different stuff to choose from. And you can you also have the same, you choose you can choose different genders, male or female. You can randomize things, like if you want something random, press the randomize button. You can just have random stuff. And to pop it off, I will actually be creating Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. So yeah, let's just make him real quick. And you can also make them bald, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know what he looks like necessarily, but who I can, let's just give him that. Let's just, I don't know, see, or you can just give him simple pants. You can also give him like an outfit, something, and we can give him a pair of shoes. I know that does not look like Dwayne Johnson whatsoever, but you know what I mean. Then we can name him. There we go. Yeah, I know this video is a little bit long. I apologize. But yeah, so there's a lot to cover in Plotagon Studio. I tried to cover up as much. I tried to cover as much stuff as possible. And yeah, so now you can go back. And if you want to learn some more stuff, they have little in-depth tutorials on the app. So again, it's free. It does not slow down your computer. And I know this is not promoting anything. This is just me. Recommending it. So yeah, you can choose. They have different tutorials. So yeah, and anyways, guys, I don't want to waste any more of your time. So yeah, anyways, guys, peace out and have a wonderful rest of your day.